Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna be doing a at-home wash and set. So boom, I'm not gonna be talking in this video, that's why I'm doing a voiceover, but yeah, I'm just showing y'all how I'm gonna do it. And yeah, I was telling my sister to watch my daughter because yeah, but so yeah, I'm just gonna be doing that. I am gonna mess up a few times because I haven't did a Rolo set on myself in I don't know how many years, but I'm gonna be using I forgot what type of roller you call it, but right here I'm just using bio oil. No, not bio oil, I'm bugging out. Olaplex oil, yeah. Shit like $80, nah. Those are expensive though, but yeah, throughout this video, I'm gonna just play music and then just watch me, you know. Y'all gonna see me mess up a few times, but it's alright. It's gonna come out good in the end. Right, so we have three. I'm gonna use this one, I think. And then for the sides, this one. The less here, the smaller you go.
You say that? Because if you're close and loose enough to make you look like a lady.
Alright, we got some water. And a smaller comb. Alright, so now we gotta dry. I'm not gonna be here forever. Alright, it's time to take them off. No, it's not. This one ain't done. Let's see if this one is dry. need to get me a dryer because, yeah. Respectfully, I don't like it. Some of them came out puffy, but I'm about to flat iron it like this because I don't got time. I don't. You can leave it like this if you want, go outside like this, or you can flat iron it. It's up to you, but hello? I should leave it like this to get it prepared for my starter locks. I want starter locks. I'm not gonna keep them in forever though. I just want it as a style and then take it off. And then take it off when I'm ready.
What's that? It's a baby. We call a baby duck a duckling.
You told me that. The hell? I'm doing one pass. I don't care if I don't come out that straight. Cause I don't want to like get heat damage. I already feel like I got heat damage. I washed my hair and my hair should be curlier than this. Like, don't play with me. Like, what the fuck is this? I have it on the low setting. Oh, I forgot I cut my hair. Stop playing with me. Like that, like that.
What comes next? Yes! Great job!
Krishan fighting.
Oh, you burning your hair. Look how much smoke is there.
No, I'm not.
Leave it, let's see it.
Oh.
Nah. You going crazy.
Nigga said nah. Come on, bro. You making me mess up. It's supposed to be bumped. Like, what's up?
You asked about burp.
You a bird?
No, you a bird.
Making all them damn noises.
You're a bird.
What are you looking for, Nevaeh?
First, we need to buy a ticket. The sign says that the tickets are here. Give the money, and we get our... Now we have a ticket to get into the zoo. Good job. Walk, 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 walk. Do you see any
That's how you do a washing set. Stop playing with me.
Oh,
Buki.
Wow, I see it too.
Yeah, like that.
How many elephants are there? Tick-tock,
Alright, this is how my hair came out.
I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick,
This is a washing set right at home. You don't need to go to no hair salon. Like, stop playing with me.
2 o'clock.
Like, just stop.
Cuckoo.
I'm hot. My hair is soon be poofy in like an hour. So yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Even though there was some little errors up in here, but yeah.
Tick-tock,
I'll see y'all in my next video.